Toothpick here with my main man Dano. He's got the bat wing going on with this little plucky ducky that's about to get hit with the Dano's Hot Chipotle, the newest seasoning to the flavor game. It's that yum yum get you some. Dano approved by the man himself, his own recipe, third flavor drop, and we're going to the top. You can join, all you gotta do is get a bottle.
All right, y'all, check out what I got today. I got me a whole duck, and we're getting ready to deep fry this bad boy, so stay tuned. We got us a little pot, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this big hunk of fat off here, because we don't need that. I'm sure some of you are gonna tell me, oh, you need to deep fry that. I'm good, I'll pass. Yeah, I'll pass on that.
That'll be our duck chitlins.
But what I'm gonna do here is take this little tail. You can see this tail because we got kind of a small pot. So anything I can cut off that's gonna keep it from, cooking all the way or getting all the way down in there, I'm gonna cut it off. So I'm cutting that off. So now we got our little duck. Look at it, look at it. Gonna do the two-step, do the cowboy look. Yeah, okay. All right, let's cook it. Toothpick, do me the favor. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bless this real good with the Dano's Hot Chipotle.
That's the maroon top.
The maroon top. Here you go, guys. We've always had the green and the spicy, the green top and the red top. It's been like that for 5-6 years. Now, we're coming out with the Hot Chipotle. It's spicier than the spicy. It's got that Chipotle flavor, and there's nothing like it, I promise you.
In the Dano's line, it's the spiciest, baby.
So let's go on and coat this bad boy.
When using Dano's, you want to sprinkle appropriately and sprinkle generously. Don't be afraid to add flavor.
You can see as he's doing it, he's not gonna overdo it. I promise you, it's the beautiful thing about low sodium. You can add more flavor, more natural ingredients. It's gonna give us a perfect crust. I'm telling you guys what, my buddy told me deep frying any sort of chicken or turkey with Dano's on it is the best turkey he's ever had. But now we got the Chipotle, so that's what we're getting ready to try today.
Look, it's a little Chipotle deodorant.
Here, get it up in there. A little Chipotle deodorant. There you go. All right, we're gonna continue to spice this bird up. Then we're gonna get our oil bubbling. We're gonna fry this bad boy. Yeah, get us a bunch down in there. Just cause you know that flavor, gotta have it on the inside. Get it in them bones. We got us a nice, you can see there's a little mound in there. About to just kind of shake that around a little bit. And then go on, keep hitting this again. Let's get a good coating on there.
Just want to make sure I get everything right.
Just keep going with it.
You move the duck and I'll pop the flavor.
Look at that. We're getting this bad boy coated, y'all. Telling you what. All right, that looks good. Now let's fire up our oil. Let's fry this bad boy. Back up, Snickers. That's not good. Right down low. Yeah. Don't get nervous on me. We almost had a fireworks show. But I think we're good. That could have been disastrous. So what happened here, why it was crazy when we dropped that in, is we had this, grab that thermometer there, Toothpick. We're gonna buy a Toothpick a new thermometer because I kept putting this thing in there and it kept reading like 250, 260, 270 and like minutes were going by on high and I'm like, why is this oil not getting hotter? And then all of a sudden it was 400 because this thing was like broke or something. That's why you saw those fireworks. But always be careful. Invest in a good thermometer. Don't use the cheap stuff. Throw this in the fire pit. Not really. There goes Toothpick. All right, so
we're in a healthy 307. Maybe it's not junk, it's just
You want it at 350, but like I said, if it wasn't for this, we'd be doing it right. But I still think we're doing it right because this thing looks delicious.
I'm chalking this up to user error. I'm gonna gift this to our camera guy, Brad.
Let's give it a flip over. Oh yeah, look at that. You see that coming out of the inside? The oil's just popping out. Look at that. All right, y'all, you can see we're almost done. We're gonna give it about another minute. But let me tell you one thing that might save you third-degree burns and save your duck and save you from ruining your day. When you use long tongs like this, look, you see how they have this slot right here? Well, if you pick that bird up and you grab that and you go like this and you turn that upside down, that oil is gonna come down this slot into your hand, not only give you 3rd-degree burns, ruin your day, but it's gonna ruin your bird too, because you're gonna drop it. So make sure when you're using tongs like this, that when you grab it out, you hold it like this and carry it to where you're setting it down. Do not grab that bird and hold it up. If you don't know, now you know. All right, y'all, so we know our turkey's done because I can press on it, I can feel that it's floating.
No, we know our duck's done.
All right, y'all, so I know our duck's done because I can press on it a little bit and I can feel that it's floating. You can see that it's floating on the top. So I'm gonna go in here and remember my lesson that I taught you. I'm gonna hold it just like this, let that grease drip out. And then we're gonna set this on our cutting board and we're gonna let this sit for at least 20 minutes before we cut into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first fried ever Dano hot chipotle duck.
All right, y'all, so the duck's done. It's been 20 minutes.
It's Donald Duck.
Donald Duck. Donald Duck.
Donald Duck.
Let's cut in. Let's just get us a bite. Instead of laying it all up, let's just go straight in with the goods. Let's go right here. We're all done. So, my friends,
We're gonna put the oil back on.
this is our first time trying this. We were dealing with the thermometer.
Well, hold on. This being our first time, let me think. What if it's supposed to be that color?
I'm not eating it. Yeah, I can't go with that. Can't do it, Toothpick. Let's cut this off. Let's see what this. Yeah,
No,
that ain't.
no, no, no. Hold on. Pan-seared duck right there. Look at all the duck.
Yeah, you're right. Get you a bite, Toothpick.
I'm only doing this because I love y'all. Cut me off a little sliver there.
Tell me it's good. Tell me it's good.
I'll tell you it's not 165 degrees. Duh, that's too tough.
I'm not doing it. He's not doing it. But hey, you guys, I can guarantee you one thing. We're always going to entertain you. So make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, and tell us what you think about this duck. We'll have to do it again, so we'll get another duck. We'll make sure we got a good thermometer so we can get everything done right. But you guys, let me know. Would you eat that? I don't think you're really supposed to eat that. But what he just showed me on the camera is that you can. But we don't know enough about duck, so I'm gonna steer away from it, and I'm gonna say the nay-no on this one, my friend. It would be dang good. We just, you know.
You guys, I'm officially gonna say we ducked this up.
Love y'all. Till next time. Do it for Danos. Do it for Danos. Do it for Danos.
Oh, done a lot for Danos. Right now, I'm gonna taste this duck that may or may not be fully cooked. I will tell you what, guys.
I ain't gonna let you die alone, Toothpick.
This is your all's formal invitation to our funeral. We will have a joint funeral, and there will probably be a duck hunting ceremony afterwards. Cheerio.